and break down the details that are coming in of the suo motu cognizance that the Supreme Court had taken over the RJ Kar rape and murder horror. And the Supreme Court is talking tough to the state government of West Bengal. And especially when it comes to providing security, saying that don't say that women can't work for 12 hours. This is coming at a time when there were measures that were also talked about when it comes to providing safety to women who have been working in night shifts. However, this is coming at a time when the CBI also filed and submitted its status report. The concerns that has also been raised over when it comes to the Supreme Court, while saying that they do not want to make the report public and they do not want to set a timeline or a deadline to the investigation that is being carried out by the CBI. With two more latest arrests that has been made by the central agency. That has been a big development that is now coming across as far as senior doctors in the case are also concerned, and the representation was being done to provide them with the safety measures, installment of CCTVs as well. All of this that today was taken up on the concerns that has been raised also by the doctors who have been protesting, and when it comes to the Supreme Court itself, not ready to disclose what has been the findings of the CBI till now, as the investigation is still going on part of the CBI. So this is coming at a time as far as the number of CCTVs that has been installed, areas as well where women can rest at night, biometric access, something, all of the modalities and something that has all been talked about and taken up by the Supreme Court. All the data that has also been sought when it comes to the medical colleges in all of West Bengal and in Kolkata as well. And this is coming at a time when it comes to the measures that have been taken up, budgetary provisions as well. Apart from all of them, the concerns which has been mainly raised when it comes to women who have been working in night shifts. So we have Harish with us right now. Harish, how has the Supreme Court taken up strong observations, especially when it comes to certain directions that were issued to them, especially the women, those who work at night shifts? All right, apologies for that. We're just getting more and more updates as far as this hearing that had resumed in the Supreme Court. However, on the other side, West Bengal Chief Minister herself has been reaching out, and dialogue that was held with the protesting doctors. Harish, if you can hear me now, just quickly take us through the observations made by the Supreme Court today.
Yes, today, as we're speaking, the Supreme Court is talking about the working conditions of the doctors. The Chief Justice says that no doctor should be allowed to work extra. It should be reasonable working hours, irrespective of being a woman or male doctor. Just saying that a woman doctor cannot be asked to work for more than 12 hours or cannot be asked to do night duty. The new rules brought in by the West Bengal government, this is a violation of gender equality. This is what the Supreme Court Chief Justice says. He says that allow the women of the doctors to work for more than 12 hours and also night shifts, but provide them a security. Apart from that, Amita, some very pertinent questions asked by the Chief Justice. Was CCTV tampered with? Why was only 27 minutes footage given to CBI? Why was genes of victim not sent for examination? As CBI, the bench said CBI affidavit has something which deserves us. Probe needs to be taken deeper. Apart from the main accused, was anyone else involved? We want CBI to unearth the absolute truth. As Chief Justice told West Bengal government also that we need to give adequate time to CBI to complete probe. We don't want to set a timeline or deadline for CBI. And going through the status report, we feel a very sensitive and important information.
To correct the notification, as far as the state government's duty is to provide security, but you cannot say that women and especially doctors cannot work at nights, as there are women who are other in fields who have been working for more than 12 hours, and it would be gender inequality rather, if women working hours are limited. Thank you very much for the moment, Harish, for joining in. Those are the updates coming in. Back after a short break.